there was bison, and we're talking millions of them. And there's proof right there. You can see these lines. Those are buffalo trails from 150 plus years ago. And so the only reason I can't get a cow to walk on that, sheep don't want to walk on it. So the only reason those trails are there is because the easy walking was full. When a million or million plus animals would come through, they were forced because the herd was so dense with animals, they were forced up onto that steep stuff. So it's interesting how the grazing strategies have changed from then till now.